Guys, so today I'm gonna show you how to get some money. All you need is your own vehicle, then go to the zombie island, where this to go. After going to the zombie island, you just wait the zombie to come at your car and stop him. So here they come. After doing this, go to your car. Then your car will explode. Look at those stuffs right there. And then you will spawn nearby and get these stuffs. And then after that, do it again. Put your vehicle again. Right there. That's good. Make sure the zombies follow you. And then go to the car. And the car will explode. And kill all the zombies. And look at those money. So you can basically do this. Repeat it like many times. This is awesome. So yeah guys, that's all for now. Bye.